Nobody will see this but me.
We're making a documentary.
A documentary? That's what I'm worried about.
No.
Am I going to be on CNN or something?
No.
So we're using all wood,
All wood. Okay.
and we have raw wood right
You
now.
got raw wood. It's sanded up.
It's not sanded yet either.
Okay. Well, you're going to want to scuff it to 220. You got to be
Scuff it
careful.
with 220. Okay.
The thing is with veneer, you got to be careful not to burn through.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So get it, scuff it to 220. First day, put on your primer. Take a rag, and just lightly wipe it on there. You don't want to hammer it. You don't want to soak it, saturate it.
Right.
You just want to wipe it on there, and basically
rag.
just seal it up. Yeah, like you would.
Or a bunch of cotton or something.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Yeah.
Let that sit. The next day, come in lightly scotch pad that, just to knock off what is.
With the red, green, or blue pad.
Red's the harshest. I would probably go with maybe a green. You just want to give it something to that the new stuff will bite it.
Okay.
Then the following day, put one coat of the all wood on there.
The primer or the?
No, that you've already put the primer on.
Oh,
the rag.
that's the sealer. Okay.
Yep. Then you put on one coat of the all wood with the brush or roller, whichever. Brush preferably. It pushes it into the grain, helps fill it. Let that sit for a day. You come in the next day, so now you're on day 3. You scuff that up again with that scotch pad, and then you can put up to, I say 3, but you can, depending on where you're at, you can get maybe close to 4 coats a day without sanding in between.
Yeah.
And then you build that up, get that up as to where the grain's filled and you're happy with it. Depending on, a lot of guys are.
So we're scotch padding it in between each layer for just a light scuff? No. Okay, just so after the first, we're just going.
After the first, you're going to scuff it. The next day, you're going to scuff that. Then after you scuff that, then you're going to brush 3-4 coats on every 2 hours in between.
So you're talking brush and tip?
Roll and tip.
Roll and tip.
Every 2 hours without sanding in between on each day. Now when you come in the following day, you're going to have to scuff that up, 320 or something like that, give it a little sand, and do the same thing again. You can put 3 to 4 coats on that day without sanding in between coats.
Okay.
And then once you get your build up to where you like it, a lot of guys are doing spraying all craft clear over the top of that. Because the all wood dries pretty quick. They're not, if it's a big area, like if there's that wall, bulkhead or a transom, they're not really liking the finish. It's not, it dries so fast it's not getting a chance to flow out. So a lot of guys are using all craft clear over the top of that.
Okay.
But you cut.
But you need that build up somehow, no matter what.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's great for that. I mean, it's you could probably be done with a project in a week compared to 3 weeks if you were doing the standard varnish.
Let me ask you a comment on this. You've seen when you first come in, the release fighting chairs, how shiny that
I've
wood
seen
is?
it before. I have not seen it today, but
The guy says he uses an automotive product. He said he tried everything
he
else.
uses Glazerite. He clears them with Glazerite.
Glazerite. That's an enamel or acrylic?
It's a lacquer.
Lacquer. Huh.
It can be. I mean, they make Glazerite, makes lacquer and urethane.
Well, I would call that a competitive product to yours. So what do you say about that product? Should it be considered for my application?
You can't. That's the clear coat going over the top.
That's the last one.
The final is
it says the all craft clear.
He's using Glazerite clear.
Okay.
Now they used to release chairs. Used to build them up with moss epoxy. I don't know if he's still doing that, or I had heard they were going to all wood also, but I'm not sure. I haven't talked to Sam about that.